Videos of these where they take them off, it don't show. Well, basically that's what we're gonna be doing, like this. So basically all you do is take these screws off right here, easy peasy. Next thing you know, you're gonna take off your mirror, and it's on the inside. So basically the mirror is gonna be like this, and just you lift it up and it snaps right off like nothing. After that, you have these screws right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you take off this piece. Right here we got the 4 screws in. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 screws in. This thing's really tight. This thing's not going nowhere. So right now we're just gonna clip in the mirror. Yeah, there it is. Well, basically snapped on. It's kind of loose, but yeah, it's in there. And this one, well, I don't have connected the electric mirror, so this is just like this. So it's both together. So all I'm gonna do is put back these screws back in, and that's it. And that's how you install a T660 600 chrome mirror.